Okay, guys, good morning, Friday morning. So, those of you that haven't joined before, we literally just go through some analysis over the markets that we usually trade and see if we can potentially find a trade later on today. So, first of all, let's have a look at the news, see if we've got any news today. So, we don't have any high impact news. We've already had retail sales for the Great British Pound. We've had core inflation rate for the yen. We have later on some speeches, but they're not really going to affect the market that much. So it's not going to be too crazy today. It's going to be pretty smooth sailing today, news-wise. If we look at the long term, gold and Bitcoin is still absolutely killing in strength, medium term as well. Let's take a look at short term. So Bitcoin, super strong. I think that the halving is today. I'm not too sure. I think that it is. We did have a look yesterday, didn't we? So potential long soon on Bitcoin. But that's it for the news. That's it for the currency strength. Let's take a look at the chart. So this week has been super bearish for US 100, which is really good. We broke out this consolidation. We caught a short on US 500 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We didn't really catch anything on this because it didn't really move the way that we wanted it to. In fact, yeah, we caught the move. What day was it? I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday. Moved to the downside. Yesterday, yesterday did move to the downside, but it was late. This was at 1700. Usually, if we get a move at 1700, it's not really going to continue. Sometimes you just get a fake out. But it has, it's continued moving down, which is absolutely fine. We can look for another sell today because we have this key level here, but also we could see sells all the way up until the open. So if you see these lines here, these are the daily open. So we could today see a nice sell all the way down to the key level, which we're really looking for. Which is there. So this zone here, this blue zone, is the higher time frame high. So again, if we take a look at the daily, when we actually broke from this high, more than likely you are going to see a full and complete exhaustion back to it before we can see the higher time frame move to the upside. Just like we saw here, it's just on a bigger scale. Basically the same as this. Where is it? But we see the move to the upside, we break this high here, we see a full and complete exhaustion back to it, we get a double bottom, and then we continue moving to the upside. That's exactly what we're looking for here. So potentially going to touch this level and then continue moving to the upside. That's US 100. US 30 now. So US 30. Again, potential moves to the downside here. It didn't really move in the time frame that we wanted it to yesterday. Very late. Was a great setup though, but usually past 4 o'clock, I don't really look at the charts. We do have a level of sell pressure here. Previous buy pressure will become sell pressure. Again, potentially going to go all the way down here, but I don't think that on a Friday it's going to do that. So TP is going to be previous area of buy pressure. Looking for a move to the downside here. In fact, what time did that move? It moved at, we got an entry at 1700 and it didn't move then until 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, very weird move yesterday, but it does happen. Let's have a look at the chat room. Good morning, guys. Okay, cool. So looking for moves to the downside here. Very nice downtrend. Super easy price action. Best price action we've seen for the past couple weeks. In fact, 6 weeks. So definitely, if we see sellers come in here, we can definitely look for a move to the downside. Let's take a look at gold now. We already know that gold is super, super strong. So what we're seeing here, even though there's been a recent war, even though gold is super strong, we haven't seen a good move this week. Gold opened here on Monday, and it hasn't really done anything. We haven't seen a great move, but today we could still see a move to the upside. We haven't lost hope yet. Gold is still super strong fundamentally. We do have this daily uptrend here. So again, anything bullish here, we can definitely look for a move to the upside. If you just take a look, if we zoom out, buy pressure, buy pressure, buy pressure, more than likely going to move to the upside. If we take a look at all the fundamentals, long term gold is strong, medium term gold is strong. Short term though, gold is weaker than the USD. So we just need to wait for short term for gold to see some buy pressure, see some actual money flow into gold, and then we can place a move to the upside. Simple as that. Let's take a look at the British pound against the yen. Okay, so we touched the uptrend. Literally looking for a minor move to the downside and then a continue move. When was this? This was at 4 a.m. We saw this liquidation here. So as you can see, super level of buy pressure here, being respected multiple times. It's literally touched it. Looks as though we could see sell pressure here at this level and then move to the upside. Looks like a very good trade here. 191,500 will be your entry. And then 193,500 will be your TP. Potentially is going to see sell pressure here. If it doesn't and it continues to ride up, then you just wait for an exhaustion and then move to the upside at this level rather than this level. Simple as that. The Great British pound against the USD now. Okay, so the Great British pound against the USD hasn't really, again, hasn't really done anything this week. If we just take a look this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's not really done anything at all. It's like consolidated. We are waiting for, if we take a look at the daily, we are waiting for a move to the upside here to then get some sells. Because as you can see, we have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We are waiting for the lower high to form. So, yeah, there is a potential for buys today. Let's take a look at the fundamentals here. So, yeah, this week, honestly, really boring if you trade the British pound against the USD. The British pound's a positive 0.9, the USD is a minus 1.7. So yes, there is chance for a buy. I would say seeing a little bit of sell pressure here, maybe a bounce here, then a move to the upside. Again, I don't really expect much on a Friday. There's not really a decent range on a Friday, but you could potentially get a buy here. Let's take a look. Overall sell. It's probably going to happen Tuesday, Wednesday next week. What do we have? Wednesday? Do we have news? Durable goods. It's not that bad. So potentially looking for a buy here at this daily zone. There we go. looking for a move to the upside and then the overall move to the downside. Very, very simple price action on the GarageBand against USD. Euro USD, which is the last one. If you want to go through any others, then type it in the chat room now or forever hold your peace. Daily time zone here. Let's have a look. Whoopsie. So it looks as though the Euro USD has seen a move to the upside. We're seeing the continuation now. The Euro is, the Euro is a minus 0.5 USD, minus 1.2. Medium term, Euro is a lot weaker than the USD. Long term, Euro is a lot weaker than the USD, which is really good because we are looking for moves to the downside. The 1 hour time frame, we did see the move at 12, 1, 2 o'clock yesterday. That would have been a good entry if I was watching it. But so we've already touched this level. There is a potential for a move to the daily and then a break to the downside. Again, I don't expect this to go all the way down here today. But there is a potential for a sell here. Only minor, though. It's not going to go crazy on a Friday. Yeah, so I would say, guys, if we touch this level here, and then we continue to move down, this is a nice level. See if it's been respected in the past, shall we? 1 second. And I can see, yeah, previously has been respected. I like it. So that would be my entry on the Euro against the USD. Simple as that. All these are going to be uploaded, so you won't miss anything. But thank you, Andrea, Georgios, Rowan, and Tina. Thank you guys for joining. Hope you guys learned something. This is basically just analysis. Don't try and trade these. This is analysis to show how you would set up your trades. So there we go. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you later for the live session. Take care. Bye bye.